Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to change letter case in Adobe InDesign. Let's get started. At first, you have to open your Adobe InDesign software. Then open your document or create your document. Now you can see here are my document. Now I change letter case in this document. At first, I have to select some letter. Then go to type option. Now you can find change case option. Now click this change case. Now you can see here are many options: uppercase, lowercase, title case or sentence case. Now I this time make it to uppercase. Now click outside of this text box. Now you can see I changed letter case in Adobe InDesign very easily. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.